This video walks you through how to record discounts for customers in QuickBooks Online. Begin on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and move to the upper right corner. Click the Settings gear icon, then choose Account and Settings from the menu. When that page opens, select the Sales tab on the left side so you can adjust the options related to invoices and other sales forms. In the Sales tab, look for the section called Sales Form Content. On that line, click the Edit pencil icon to open the available settings. Find the discount option and turn it on. This enables a discount field on invoices, which is what you will use when billing a customer at a reduced amount. After that, click Save to apply the change, then click Done to return to the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the dashboard, click plus Create to open the list of available transaction types. Select Invoice. A new invoice form will open, and this is where you will enter the customer information and the item details before applying the discount. In the Customer field, select the customer who should receive the discount. Once the customer is selected, move down to the product or service area of the invoice. Add the appropriate product or service, then enter the required quantity, rate, and amount based on the sale you are recording. Make sure the invoice lines reflect the actual charge before you apply the discount, since the discount will adjust the total from those entered amounts. Next, locate the discount field on the invoice. Depending on your layout, this may appear near the bottom portion of the form where totals are shown. In that field, choose whether the discount should be entered as a percentage or as a fixed amount, then type the discount you want to apply. If you are using a percentage, QuickBooks will calculate the reduction from the invoice amount. If you are using a fixed amount, QuickBooks will subtract that exact value from the total. Take a moment to review the updated invoice total and confirm that the discount has been applied correctly. This is the point where you can verify that the customer, product, or service and reduced total all match what you intend to send. If anything looks off, adjust the discount entry before saving. When everything is correct, click Save and Send. This saves the invoice in QuickBooks Online and opens the option to send it directly to the customer. Thanks for watching. The customer invoice is now saved with the discount applied and ready to send.